Here's how to get your Viber chat history back quickly and easily. First, open the Viber app and tap on More in the bottom corner. Now go to Settings, then tap Account. This is where Viber stores your chat backups using iCloud on iPhone or Google Drive on Android. Tap Restore if you already have a backup available. Keep in mind, you must use the same phone number and account that was originally used for the backup. If you want to save your current chats first, tap Backup Now before restoring anything. You can also export specific conversations by opening a chat, tapping the contact name or menu, and selecting the option to export or share chat history if available. If your old messages are still missing, make sure you're signed into the correct cloud account and check that your internet connection is stable. Also, update Viber to the latest version because older app versions can sometimes cause restore problems. After doing these steps, your Viber chat history should start restoring normally again for you. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more messaging app tutorials and troubleshooting tips.